Are you tired of old shrimp trays when you get them from the crab place? Me too. Girl, let's make a shrimp tray. Okay, start off with some shrimp. Grab you some Lawry seasoning salt, some garlic powder. Make sure you go heavy with the garlic powder because the garlic powder matters. Grab you some garlic salt. Use some onion powder or some onion salt. I didn't have any onions, so I used some Saxon tropical seasoning. That's the optional. Some obey. Grab you some minced garlic. Make sure you use minced garlic. This is an essential for a garlic tray. Heavy on the parsley. Make sure you use parsley. I meant when I said heavy on the parsley. Add some bell peppers, some onions. I use yellow peppers, red peppers, green peppers. I didn't have any onions. Add some crushed red peppers. I use 2 sticks of butter. You can use unsalted butter. Make sure you do 2 sticks of actual butter, not margarine, not imperial. 2 sticks of real butter. Make sure you chop it up. That way it can spread over the shrimp evenly. Place it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes on about 400, depending on how you want it, about 350 to 400. And there you have it. You have your own garlic shrimp tray. You don't have to worry about going to the crab hut and getting those soggy ass shrimp trays. Quick, easy recipe done in 1, 2, 3, and you have more than 4 shrimp in your shrimp cup that they be giving you at the crab house because they done played with me